In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a TikTok Pro account on your TikTok app. So I'm going to show you how to change your account into a TikTok Pro account step by step. So what you want to do, you want to go to TikTok, log into your account, and then hit the three dots at the top. And then you want to go to Manage Account, which is the first one. There we go. And now under Account Control, you can see Switch to Pro Account. It's the fifth option. So hit Switch to Pro Account like this. And there we go. Now you can select if you are a creator or a business. So I hit business and then select the category. So I select electronics, just select what you want. And then we can edit the profile or hit skip. So I'm skipping for now. And there we go. We successfully changed our TikTok account to a TikTok Pro account. So this is very easy to do on your phone. This works both on Android and iOS. And if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.